And this is the blade I use all the time. And here, I want to show you guys something, because I show people this when they're in Kathy's Cooking Club. We use this, and everybody's like, oh, I never knew how to use the shredder before. So maybe we'll shred something really quick. So look, do you see if you turn this sideways, you see one side is open at the top, right? So see how it's the big holes when I hold it this way that you can see through? And down here, it will be the little holes. So whatever is raised will go to the top. So let's go ahead and let's set this up for a second, because most people do not use this, and it's the best thing ever. So we've got this. So I've got that little pole. This also, you don't have to have this food processor. If you have this blade, it's going to work that it has an additional thing you put in there. You put it the open side up. So like right now, oh, do they say, oh, on this one it says coarse shredder or fine shredder right on the blade engraved in. So let's do this really quick. So we're going to put this on. Second, I'm going to just take this part out because this carrot is small enough to fit through. I have this gigantic carrot that we're going to dice in a minute. That is not going to fit through here. I would have to take another level out. I actually got some tendonitis in my thumb a few weeks ago from my dehydrator class from chopping too many things, which is why I bought this. It was also on sale. So I'm going to put the power on. I'm going to put my carrot in here. Okay, I'm going to push down with this and start. Oh. Now, you will end up, like we are going to, and I'll show, with like a little slice of carrot. You can kind of see it right here, actually. I don't think we need a close-up. Snackies. You end up with a snacky. My dog that passed, this was her favorite thing when I would do the food processor, because she'd be like, ooh, snackies. And so this is the big shreds. And Cheryl last night wanted one of my oil-free carrot cake mug cakes, and you guys can get the recipe on Healthy Slow Cooking. Just look up carrot cake. And I didn't have any shredded carrots. Well, looky now. Now I do. We use the coarse one. You could get one smaller by just flipping that thing over and doing it.